Hello ma'am, which editorials should I check out today?
Yes, absolutely. There are two very important editorials from the Hindu newspaper today, which are very important for UPSC examination perspective. So come, let's have a look. The first editorial is Delhi's air a wicket problem in need of bold solutions. This is written by Mr. Shashi Tharoor, and this article talks about that every winter Delhi wakes up under a toxic grey sky as AQI levels cross 400, and which is in severe range. And schools shut, flights get delayed, and citizens struggle for basic breathing comfort. This is not a seasonal nuisance anymore. It's a structural recurring crisis, and it has health consequences as well. And this article talks about the complexity of Delhi's problem. Now, Delhi's problem is not something which can be solved through artificial rain. It needs to take deeper ground level solutions, and there are health consequences as well. So when we talk about health consequences, long-term exposure to Delhi's pollution can reduce life expectancy up to 10 years. Then the complexity of Delhi's problem is quite big. Why Delhi's problem is not a single source. It's a combination of geographical, meteorological and human-made factors like land block geography, temperature inversions and winter environment patterns, vernacular emissions, dust from construction. And this is very relevant for UPSC GS paper 3, which is environment and ecology, GS paper 2, which is governance, GS paper 4, ethics and essay paper. A very important article, so must go through this one. The second article is the POCSO Act is gender neutral by design. Now, this article is written by Ms. Shraddha Chaudhary, and this article says that Supreme Court recently clarified that POCSO Act is gender neutral and it applies to both male and female perpetrators. This generated confusion because Section 3, which defines penetrative sexual assault, uses pronouns like he for the perpetrator. Now, why the act is gender neutral is because under Section 13 of the General Clause Act 1897, masculine pronouns legally introduce all genders unless the law states otherwise. Has the use of he in POCSO does not exclude female offenders. So, this article is very relevant for GS paper 2, which is governance and polity, because child protection law, structure and scope of POCSO Act 2012, role of General Causes Act. Then GS paper 4, it is very relevant for ethics, and then it is very relevant for essays because themes like child safety in India, gender neutrality in law, balancing justice with social realities, all are covered in this article. The article covers three main contexts, which is the text support gender neutrality, a deliberate legislative choice, and the serves the law's purpose. So both these articles are very important. If you want a deeper analysis of these articles, please go watch our DNA video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.